Let's go see what we can grab from the garden.
Blackberries. Zinnias. Bush chard. Also found another zinnia. I've been scared to do this because I think that they're going to be really small, but I think that I should pull one of these smaller garlic plants and see what they look like. That's not too bad size. Oh boy, that one definitely wasn't done yet. Well, that's an interesting looking carrot. We got a ton of carrots today. Bush beans and pole beans. Large cherry tomatoes. Joshua also found some onions that I had been missing. Just one cucumber today. Chamomile. Calendula. Feverfew. And that's what I got from the garden today.